Have you ever wondered what happens when you're selling your transport business or taking over someone else's? Yep, we're talking about the DOT number ownership transfer. It sounds like a mouthful, but let's break it down into something much more manageable. Firstly, if you're in the trucking biz in the United States, your DOT number is like your golden ticket. It shows you're registered with the U.S. Department of Transportation and you're good to go. But what happens when it's time to pass that golden ticket to someone else? Well, that's where DOT number ownership transfer comes into play. Now, transferring a DOT number isn't as easy as handing over the keys to your truck. It's more like a puzzle with some paperwork attached. But stick with me, it's not as scary as it sounds. The key is knowing what to expect and having a game plan. Picture this. You've got the business deal of a lifetime. You're ready to ink the papers and transfer those rights. But hold up. Before you dive in, you need to check with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA for short. We're the folks keeping track of all things safety related on the road. You'll need to update your details with us. This usually involves a bit of a paperwork jungle, but hey, no need to do this alone. That's where Moving Authority can lend a hand. Think of us as your navigators in this journey. We specialize in making these transfers smooth, so let us deal with the red tape while you dream of the open road. So, what's the process like? In a nutshell, it's about updating your existing information with the FMCSA and making sure everything lines up correctly. Imagine it as setting up a new phone, backing up your data, resetting, and then loading everything onto the new device. You'll need to ensure that everything matches up or you might run into a snag. Don't sweat over the details because Moving Authority is here to help with every step. Our expertise ensures that your DOT number transfer is a breeze. And remember, it's not just about shifting paperwork, it's about securely transferring rights and responsibilities without a hitch. But wait, there's one more thing. If you're thinking about skipping this step, think again. Having the proper paperwork in the DOT world is like having full coverage insurance. It's absolutely essential. This transfer isn't just a formality, it's what keeps your operations legal and above board. So whether you're buying, selling, or taking over a business, make sure you're not leaving anything behind. This involves securing the right transfer of your DOT number. And there you have it. A look at DOT number ownership transfer. It's not scary, right? Think of it as a pit stop on your business journey. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, when in doubt, movingauthority.com has got your back. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Safe travels on the road ahead.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.